I am here. So today, this ain't a poetry video, because poetry is hard. So I decided that we're going to do a makeup video as well. Get more sunlight here. We're just going to rotate. That worked wonders. Because this camera doesn't suck, and I think sometimes I'm funny. I don't know how to edit videos, so this is going to be one take. My cat's coming in the room. This is lovely. Yeah, and we're just gonna rotate my laptop again. And yeah, hi cat. This is Lucy, also known as Problem. We're gonna do a rainbow eye makeup. So, enough intro. Let's get started. So first thing you want to do is take off your glasses, because this is a glasses-friendly makeup channel. I'm gonna remind you, take your frames off. And then keep your glasses case in your bed. That way you don't have to have a bedside table. Don't throw your glasses across the room, though. Cat, I love you. Look at her. She's cute. She tolerates me. Go back there. Alright. She's still on the bed. So the first thing you want is a primer. Primer. There we go. It's backwards. This is for faces, not eyes. We're going to use it as eyeshadow primer because it makes your face skin really smooth, which I believe is the point. My cat's laying down on my stuff. Anyway, I'm just going to use the camera as a mirror because I'm not going anywhere. And this is going to be a really bad video that I'm going to upload in shame. Cool. I kind of want to upload this now, but we're not going to. Ha ha ha. You don't know when I film this. You have a slight idea. I won't tell you why you have the slight idea though, because that'll give it away. Now you blend that primer in, and you want to also get your under eye if you want to do really rainbows, or if you just want the top lid, that's fine too. Now you gotta move your cat off your eyeliner, because you want to do your waterline first. Okay, we're just gonna move everything over here. Now, this is a shitty pencil eyeliner that I got from a dollar store, I shouldn't swear. Too late! Alright. But it works better than the one I got for Christmas from an Ulta package of makeup. So, you just want to get this in your eye. I'm going to stab my eye with this, so if you don't like things going in people's eyes, this is where you look away. And you just want to line your waterline until your cat walks in your video frame. Honestly, the cat adds that element to the video. Anyway, I just don't want my cat to start sniffing my eye. No, you can't eat my eyeliner. This is great. This is a fun time. And then you gotta get your top lid too. Your top lash line. Now you can just over apply on your lower waterline and blink it onto your top lid, but that's not fun. That's not nearly as fun. Okay, we're done with the scary eyeliner part. The next thing you want is a good brush. Now, what defines a good brush? One that doesn't still have green eyeshadow on it. So we're just going to rub that off on my leg, because I don't give a fuck. I need to stop swearing. Okay, so now that your eyes are primed, you take a brush. This is too fluffy. This end of the brush, too fluffy. You want thin and dense. And then you need a palette that has most colors of the rainbow, if not all. Like this one. It's from VH Cosmetics. It's called Take Me Back to Brazil. They're pressed pigments and not eyeshadows, but I'm going to use them anyway, because I haven't dyed yet. Now, if you can get it open, that's a miracle too. Now, usually you want to avoid looking like you have pink eye, but for the pinks to show up, you're going to want to look like you have pink eye. Is that just my screen dimming? No? Okay. So I usually take this bright pink right here, and we're just going to load up that brush like so. Cat, she is going to eat my eyeliner, which means she loses bed privileges. Alright, and now you want pink on the inner corner of your eye instead of purple. If the sun would cooperate just a little bit more. And now we're just going to pack that in there I mean, I'm not really a child-friendly channel, but I'm scared of getting demonetized despite having no career on YouTube. So we're gonna act with fear a little bit. You guys can't see that, but you just want to make a little highlight with it and then get it a little bit, ever so slightly, on the lower lid, but mainly the inner corner. We're going to do the same with purple on the outer corner, but not next. So you need a pink, you need a red, you need an orange, you need a yellow, good luck, you need a green, you need a blue, this is sign language numbers now, and you need a purple. That's 7 colors. We're using 7-color rainbow here. And then it'll work like a beautiful gradient, because eyeshadows blend like that, because they're powders. I'm going to use a slightly different bright pink, and I have no idea how many layers I'm putting on my eye, but we're going to turn up this green brightness so I feel like I'm doing something good. Alright, yeah, we need the hot pink. If you can see it from across the room, it's enough eyeshadow. Okay, and you do it to both eyes. We're going to do it to both eyes. Yeah. Alright, we're just going to get that directly in my eye. And the reason you want to do your eyeliner first, I should have covered that earlier, is because sometimes you get it on your lower lid, and you want to do that before you cover your lower lid with rainbow, otherwise you'll cover up your rainbow. Now that the cat has done, she's going to eat my eyeliner, but I've decided I'm done with this battle. You want to wipe off your brush, maybe not on your leg, maybe so. Who knows? What the fuck is the sun doing? Anyway. And now you need a red. So I'm going to take the Sprite red. I like to call it a Killaman red. And we're just going to let up the brush. No, it's the orange that doesn't get on the brush. The Sprite will get on the brush. We'll worry about that with the orange. And then you just want to draw a straight line. You can't see the color because of the camera. Because lighting, you can see me making a line. And now, God, this is 7 minutes. We're gonna hurry up. And you do lines down. Just straight lines. Well, they don't have to be straight, it's a rainbow. Okay, that was a stupid face I made. And it's not gonna look as red as first, but the more colors we add, the more rainbow it's gonna look. How does that look from a distance? It looks like I'm very confused. It's a very confusing look. Cat, you can't chew on my electrical cords. She's chewing on my laptop charger. So we're going to take that away. God, what's it like to be a mother? Anyway, aren't you glad that you're not all mothers? Some of you are mothers. I'm sorry. And then you're going to do the same thing on the lower lid. You're just going to look up and do a dot, kinda, and then kind of blend it into the pink, so towards the darker color. But since the red is the darker color, we're just going to blend it into that pink there. Hello. There. And then you wipe off your brush as you see fit. Just enough. Now we're going to take the orange that works. Orange. We're going to do the same thing. Yeet, 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 yeet. And then now I can't see clearly. You will want to get close enough to the mirror that you can see what you're doing without your glasses. But if you have glasses on, you probably already knew that. Because that's what you do for your normal makeup. But that still applies here in case you were confused. Alright, now we gotta find a good yellow that works. Because the working yellow on this palette is this one. Bitch is gone. I know I shouldn't swear, but I'm giving up on it. So, we're going to take another palette. It's called 252 Ultimate Palette by Coastal Scents. It's pretty pigmented. It's 5 years old, if not older. Should probably throw it out. Not gonna. And we're going to take the red and yellow and brown palette. There's 3 palettes in here. The red and yellow and brown palette. And we're going to take this yellow right here. So just a bright ass yellow. One that'll show up on your lid. I have an olive complexion, so yellow doesn't like to show up on me. But we're going to force it. That sounds wrong, I'm sorry. Yeah, instead of doing stripes, we're going to pat little daublets, that's not a word, of yellow. And we're gonna rock back and forth to keep the light coming. And we're gonna do lines now. Doing lines, that's a reference. I'm sorry. This is a great time. Calm ass makeup time. Alright, this is gonna be uncut because I don't know how to edit videos, so if you know how to edit videos or like a free video editing software, hit me up in the comments. Be like, hey listen, you idiot. And I'll be like, hello, it is me, the idiot. You have to put stuff on the bottom lid, don't forget that. You can't do like half your lid rainbow and then stop. Well, you could. That's a statement. Just like half the rainbow, but then you died. How to warn your gay friends. Okay, I'm done. I'm not done. It will never be done. We're just gonna hope that shows up. That is sunlight directly in my eye. Yeah, there we go. It's yellowish. That works. I'm gonna take clear plastic. That's the wrong clear plastic. I'm losing my clear plastics. And you put it back on top, and then you close the palette and claw out your eyeshadow. I just did this to my eyeshadow palette, but we're gonna pretend that didn't happen. Now you gotta decide, do you want a light green or a dark green? Because you have those options. Maybe. I don't know what your eyeshadow situation is. So to pick a green, I'm gonna choose this one that looks like those neon stickers you put prices on. I'm gonna use that green. Because that's fun. And we're just gonna do a stripe. Yeehaw. Having an olive complexion is fun because green doesn't like to show up either, or it likes to really show up, depending on the day. Once you get green, it'll start looking like a rainbow. Here we go, likes this lid better. And don't worry about the tops being uneven. I should mention that way earlier. You can try to make them even all you want, but really we're just gonna do that with your finger. That evens it right out. And we're gonna bring the purple and pink and make them touch. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be a great time. So we got the green. We needed that on my bottom lid. Nice a dot. I know I did like big lines with the yellow because I wanted the yellow to show up. But we gotta conserve space, so just dot your green. Okay. Now you get to pick a light blue or a dark blue. We're gonna do dark blue. So blue and green, you gotta pick light and dark, and it's a hassle, but you can do it. And then you're just gonna force that blue to show up. Blue will make it really look rainbow. It's like, with the green and the reds and stuff, it'll look like the Jamaican flag ever so slightly. I think it's the Jamaican flag that's like red, yellow, green. That flag. It's not Italian. But once you get the blue in, it's full rainbow instead of kind of rainbow, you know? Like, you get the green in, they're like, oh, it's probably a rainbow. And then you get the blue in, they're like, oh yeah, that's definitely a rainbow. And you kind of have to blend the blue. You might have to blend some of your colors as you put them on. Just dab it. I'm sorry. I'm truly sorry for that one. That was a disgrace to all humanity. And then don't forget your lower lids. You could also just do this on your lower lid, which is why I'm showing you the lower lid. Usually, I'll do a Pink Floyd-y thing, because, like, you know, their Dark Side of the Moon album has the triangle, the prism, and the light going through. I'll do one eye black and one eye rainbow. And then you just need a little white triangle in your black eye, and then you're all set. But I don't do that. Anyway, purple time. Now with the purple, we're going to make an outer V shape. So you know how your eyelid makes an outer V? Yeah, it's going to be your soft V. I mean, you can make it pointy, but I prefer looking slightly like I have a black eye. So, and then we're going to take this under the color towards the yellow, and we're going to stop there. And the same thing on the top lid, we're going to take it over the color towards the pink, stopping at the yellow. Okay, this is where we get shapey. We're going to do the same thing to the other eye. You might be able to see this better. Probably not, because I have this thing here. That's in the way. God, this is 15 minutes. Alright. And it's gonna make you look sleep deprived, but they're gonna be distracted because your eyes are rainbow, and all the guys are gonna be like, wow, how do you do that? Is that really hard? And all the girls are gonna be like, no, it's just stripes, man. And anyway, go back to your pink. The hot pink. The one that kills people. Yes, your pinks can kill people. Lean back so the camera has light. Get really close so it maintains that light. And we're gonna, oh god, blend it into the purple. Yeah, you can overlap the purple because it's a lighter color than the purple. And then do the same under your eye. Paint your whole face pink. Paint your whole face purple. Just don't do that with that racist color. You can't do it with black because that's called blackface and that's wrong. Now you could also do this on your mouth, but you'd probably want to start, you could try using a chapstick and seeing how that gets you if you have pale lips. But if you don't, you're going to want white cream paint, and you want to put that on your lip, and you go with all your stripes. It's a great time. Now, this by itself, it's a little jarring, so we make it cute again. First you kind of blend out the edges with your fingers, or with the fluffy side of your brush. Does not matter. Just do as you please. God is not real. That's mean. You find your eyeliner from under your cat, and now you want a liquid eyeliner with a shaky bit, because otherwise you won't have a shaky bit. You know? This is called Deck of Scarlet by, I think that's the brand name. It's cruelty free. And we're just gonna do a wing. Now wings are hard if you think they're hard. It's like parking. You gotta just not think about it. Literally, this is what I do. And then we'll just do it again. And fill it in. Really, the line's hard for me because, like, actually getting on your lash line. What is this, 2012? That doesn't happen anymore. Yay! Alright, what the fuck did I do on this side? Alright. There we go. Alright, smoothing that out a little bit. Yeah. Like that. And then you want short lines. Short lines like that. And you're like, these bitches are definitely uneven. I'm just gonna make this one longer. And a little bit thicker. There we go, we're gonna call that good. And now I like to add more wings. Don't worry, this one's like way easier. You just draw a line down. It's a cute little butterfly effect. Isn't that cute? And then, because we have rainbows, we can add stars. It's kind of like drawing a star on a piece of paper, but you're treating it like a paintbrush. So practice on the back of your hand. You do down, down at a different angle, wait for the brightness, and then up, that way, down, and then if you draw it small enough, you won't need to fill it in. And then you can just flick out. It's a really big star. Flick out the legs. So we're gonna do it again. Down, down, up, bam, bam. These are also uneven. We're just gonna make these guys a little longer. There we go. Now it looks atrocious. And then you gotta put your glasses back on. Because you gotta see how horrible it looks with your glasses, or if it changes the look at all. Now I just look more serious. See, the glasses hide the black eye effect, but you still look rainbow and cute. So that's the video. There will be more poetry soon, and have fun with your gay rainbow eyelids.